All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 29,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's got backup camera, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. It looks pretty damn nice. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Let's have a dent right here, as you can see it. 3, 6, 8, more than 10 inches right there. Boom. Coming around, the rest of the bumper looks pretty good. There's some scuffing here, about 3 to 4 inches. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim or steel wheel. And your tire tread is under 430 seconds. Let me double check that. Actually, at 530 seconds. It's got a dent here on the edge of the door. 3, 6. It's actually a little bit of cracking as well to it. All right, coming around. It's got a dent here. 3, 6, about 6 inches around like that. Let's back up my camera. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty decent. Got a heavy scratch here. 3 to 4 inches there. Some scratches here. Other than that, we look pretty good with the rest. Here's your rear driver side steel wheel. Any tire touch. Seems to be on the 430 seconds. Double checking it. Let's try it on the 430 seconds. Real quick. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. Looks pretty good. Does have some cracking here. It's about 2 inches. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details on that. All right. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got your, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues except for tire pressure. Your mileage of 29,626. Does have a cracking here. You can see on this thing. Alright. That's about it. Keeping it moving. Turn on the lights. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Coming around. Pretty good. Rear bump, it's the corner here does have a cracking, about 2 to 3 inches. This bumper is also cracked right here. Boom, 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches. All right, rest of it looks pretty decent. Has a dent here. Boom. Maybe this truck maybe backed up into a pole or something. That's how they could have cracked that. I don't know. But 3, 6, 10 or more inches. So you can golf in like that. Boom. You can see there, and you can see it there, where it begins and ends. Another little dent there and a heavy scratch next to it. Doors swing out all the way. Boom. All right. And a dent there. The panel looks pretty good. It's got a crack here, as you can see on this door. It needs some body work. All right. This is what your cargo area looks like. Look how nice that looks. LED lights look sweet. You got a little dent there and a couple little dings on the wheel well there. Some more over here. Again, that's from the door, from them storing stuff in there and, you know, trying to make it fit. All right, pretty good. This door looks pretty nice as well. Looks good. Here we do have a dent, 10 or more, right there. Boom. On this door, you can see there's many little dinghies on it, and they all seem to be from the inside out. Like I said, trying to put stuff in there. Got a heavy scratch up there. Boom. And I'll get my ladder in a second and go up so you guys can see stuff up there. All right. Put your Trunk space looks like pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire that is under 4/32 for sure. This door, a little dingy right then there. That's about it. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 5/32. I showed you that little scuffing. Now let me get a ladder to go up there. All right, and we're up on the roof. Let's back it up a little bit. All right, so your roof looks pretty good. Except for here in the front, looks like they came up, they felt the hit, and they stopped. So it's got a dent here all the way around, all the way out there. Boom, boom, close-ups, boom. That's what it looks like. All right, guys. That's what that damage looks like up there. So we got a dent, 10 or more up there. And that's what it is. All right, folks, lights are working. Things are good. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 29,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.